Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're comparing two of the most popular WordPress page builders, Elementor and Divi. If you're looking to build a stunning website but can't decide between these two, you're in the right place. We'll cover features, ease of use, pricing, and more. Make sure to subscribe for more web design tips. Let's start with Elementor. Known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, Elementor makes building websites incredibly easy. The real-time front-end editor lets you see changes as you make them, which is great for beginners and professionals alike. One of Elementor's strongest features is its widget library. You get over 90 widgets in the Pro version, covering everything from basic text and image elements to advanced features like forms, sliders, and WooCommerce integrations. Elementor also comes with a massive library of templates, over 300 to choose from. Whether you need a landing page, portfolio, or blog layout, you'll find plenty of ready-made designs to speed up your workflow. When it comes to performance, Elementor generally loads faster compared to other page builders, especially if you optimize your site with caching and image compression. Now, let's move on to Divi by Elegant Themes. Divi is known for its versatile design capabilities and powerful visual builder. While the interface might feel a bit overwhelming at first, it becomes easier once you get used to its unique structure. Divi's visual editor allows you to build and customize pages directly on the front end. It's a bit different from Elementor, as Divi uses a module-based system. This means you'll have over 40 content modules to work with, including sliders, galleries, and contact forms. Divi also offers over 200 layout packs, and new ones are added regularly. These packs are highly versatile, allowing you to quickly create websites for different industries. Performance-wise, Divi can be slightly slower, especially if you're loading multiple modules on one page. However, optimizing your site can help mitigate this. Pricing comparison. Elementor has a free version, while the Pro version starts at $59 per year. Divi doesn't offer a free version, but its pricing starts at $89 per year or a one-time payment of $249 for lifetime access. If you're looking for long-term value, Divi's lifetime deal is quite appealing. So, which one's better for you? If you're after a straightforward, fast, and beginner-friendly builder, Elementor is your best bet. On the other hand, if you're looking for a feature-rich builder with a lifetime deal, Divi is worth considering. Ultimately, it depends on your preference and project needs. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more comparisons and web design tips. See you in the next video.